morning lahat. Okay, good morning guys. Ayan, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dodong Gatasero in New Zealand. Ayan. So today's vlog is that I am going to bring the first herd going to the milking shed. Hold on. Ayan, so this is the first herd. So as you can see, I am pushing them. Yes, yeah, and I'm wearing my sunglasses because it's already too hot in New Zealand today. So, just to let everyone know that here in New Zealand we are on summer. We were experiencing very hot, like 7 degrees Celsius, I think. It's already hot though. It's not like really hot. It's not as hot in the Philippines. But since that we are only used to it in a cold weather, if it is like 10 degrees or 12 degrees, it's already hot. Yeah. But today is a new and nice weather, okay? So there is no rain. And I'm pushing them. Alright, so guys, so I'm very happy that everyone is always excited to know my vlogs every day. And I receive hints of messages from what's this? I don't know. I think he is my YouTube friend. He told me what are you saying? I don't understand you. Yeah, he's just like asking me if I can talk in English, I can blog in English. So, hello my friend, okay, if you are watching this, because according to him, he's always watching on my blog. So, but he don't understand me. So, yeah, for the sake of you, so I will going to speak English. Though my English is not good, but still at least I tried myself to talk in English. Okay? Alright, so here I am. Yeah, so I'm pushing them going to the race because it is where they were going to walk. Okay? Because the race oh my god. Nakahirap naman mag-English. Hindi, joke. Okay, this is for the sake of my friend because there are heaps of what is this, friends in I have heaps of friends in YouTube that they are asking me what I'm talking, what is my nationality. Okay, my nationality is a Filipino. I am a Filipino, guys. Okay, I'm proud Filipino. Yes, I think it's obvious. Yes, because they're always asking me if, what's my nationality. Yes, so I am Filipino. I am proud Filipino. Yes, okay? Alright. What's this? Hold on. The cows in, you are not going to push hard the cows, because if you were going to push them hard, it makes them lame, and if they are lame, it can affect the production of milk. So that's why let the cow walk with their own pace. Okay? Yes. Hallelujah. Oh my god. It's very hard to become a vlogger. It's really hard to become a vlogger, mate. Yeah. You need to exert more effort, mate. Okay guys, yan, okay, so that's all for today. That is my this is what I'm working of this day. So that is my vlog for this day. So thank you for watching, and I hope guys, so the one who is requesting me to talk in English on the vlog, so I hope it is really clear and I hope you understand me. All right, okay guys, so thank you very much, and enjoy watching my vlog. Okay, so rest assured that I'll be doing my daily vlogs. Bye guys, and happy Wednesday to everyone. Okay, so God bless, and please take good care. Okay guys, ayan, all right, bye bye.